Hi everyone, what if you could see what big traders are buying before everyone else noticed? That's exactly what the whale tracker in GMGN AI helps you do. In this video, I will explain it step by step even if you are a complete beginner. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined this platform, you can use our referral code which is IgGGTrth, which is also being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for the referral link available in the description of the video so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever and it's easy to use. Okay, so what is a whale? In crypto, a whale is someone who trades with large amount of money. Their actions can move the market or signal early interest in a token. Okay, so what is whale tracking? Whale tracking means monitoring the wallets of these large traders when they buy or sell. You can see it on chain, and tools like GMGN make this easier to understand. Okay, you can find the wallets as well as the transaction trades history on the trade section, and you can check for the holders here. Okay, you can check for the holders. Okay, so where to find it in the GMG, and I have told you. Okay, you can find out these options in the in the holders and the trade section. Identify active wallets. Start by finding wallets that trade frequently, enter early. Okay, you can check this on the trade section, and they show consistent activity. You have to find out those wallet. After that, you can also copy their wallet address, and then you can track their activity. Okay, so watch their buying pattern. If multiple strong wallets are entering the same token, it may indicate growing interest. Okay, and look for the timing as well, because timing matters a lot. Did the wallet buy early before volume increased? If early entries are often more important than the late one. Okay, so confirm with other data, like always check liquidity, volume, and holder counts. Each and everything you will found out each and every detail on this section. Okay, so watch for the exit. Whales don't just buy, they also sell. If you see large wallet exiting quickly, that can be a warning sign. Okay, so whale tracking is like watching the smartest player in the game, but you still need your own strategy. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.